massive and prevalent experimental home-built aircraft. It's the RV-8. With more than 11,000 of these aircraft, this RV series of aircraft goes down in history as one of the most popular home-built aircraft of all time. Ken Rieder from Cincinnati, Ohio, flying this RV-8. He's a guy who has built several of these airplanes over the years, and along with his son Austin, fly often not only as a single ship, but also as a two-ship and Team Redline. Their
Steve, I can't see you. You call them extra poles, Steve. You call them.
As we watch Ken now from the inverted position, high end to the right, showcasing off the great maneuverability of this two-seat experimental airplane. Diving in again from the right, Ken Rieder, who is a top repeatedly more than 1,000 hours of flight time. Showcase to us the great flying characteristics of this advanced RV-8. Since that time, these aircraft, originally designed by Richard Van Roosevelt in Oregon, were now up to the bigger RV-8s. They're all sorts of different kinds. And for those of you who aren't familiar with them, there's even a story of a guy who started his project on his kitchen table. Ken has accumulated, as I mentioned, more than 10,000 hours of flying time. Today stands in as not only a professional airshow pilot, but also that of a commercial pilot flying for a major airline. Today he's the owner of a construction business from the Cincinnati, Ohio area. And as I mentioned to you, has flown several of these advanced RV aircraft over the years. Watch for that naked Jeep. It's an RV-8, but it almost looks like some of the high-performance monoplanes we've got in our show. Very impressive indeed. Ken Rieder, also a nighttime aerial performer. We'll get the chance to see him fly as part of our pyrotechnic finale on Wednesday, Saturday night. Guys, in good luck. Watch for that repositioning turn as he now wings over it back in towards the center of our aerobatic airspace. This airplane has quite a tremendous roll rate, and of course the RV-8 version, the forward and back cockpit, almost flies like a fighter. It gives Ken the ability to, well, not only have a whole lot of fun, but in some cases, burn less gas than my economy car at home. Redline Airshows would like to thank Martin built on honor since 1917, as well as to Champion Aerospace. They want to say thanks to Earth X Batteries, Flightline Interiors, Hooker Harness, X Fairings, etc., JB Engine Service to